So now today I'm going to do this piece. So I tacked it already. So now I'm going to weld it and hopefully not blow through any holes. I'm going to run the old fart can. 2.5 inch to end with, so I got to go from 2.25 pipe, which is what I'm going to run all the exhaust except for the very end. Going to go to 2.5, and then that's muffler and out. I panicked, it was good, and I panicked here. So, on the inside I can see, it shows through all the way up to where that hole is right there, that spot. I didn't get it onto this for like a couple, like 2 mils right there. And then it shows again, and then there's another little spot right there that's not showing through. And then it's through up to where I stopped. So 2 little spots it looks like that might need a little touch up. Could have been worse. That one felt better. That one felt better. Oh, look at that. So much better. Ah, one blow through on the whole part. That's pretty good. All right, I'd like to see what we got here. One blow through. It's heartbreaking. All right, well, looking on the inside, you can see my weld got through in a lot of places, but totally not everywhere. Boy, that second pass was nice. I need to make them all like that. It's beauty. Yeah, and then I punched through on the third one, and I left 2 spots on the first one. So not terrible. That could have been worse. We'll fix that right up. All right, I've let this sit down for a couple days. Got away from it just to let it all cool down because it was too hot and my welding gloves suck, so I had to go get some new gloves. And I'm excited to buff this thing out. Buff this baby out now, get all that flux off, and let's have a look at what do we have. I think it'll be awesome. It looks good, other than the hole that I made. I'm gonna fix that though. That's okay. That's why there's lots of wire. Lots of welding wire. You should hit this with the power brush. Yeah. Oh. Man, most of the welding was like pretty good. It was all pretty good except for that last pass when the metal was really hot and I hit it with too much amperage when I was trying to fix the hole. I just messed up. Other than that, it's pretty solid. That second one, of course, was awesome. That big hole I got there, I'm gonna fix up right now, and then this is done. There, pass number 1 was successful. Now number 2, right down that crack, and it's done. All right, look at this. So there's all that patching I had to layer on there 3 thick, but it looks like it did the job. Maybe I'll take a little hammer now and round that out. Well, I think we killed it. We nailed it. It is looking awesome to me. We built our joint to go from 2 1/4 to 2 1/2 inch. Slap that old fart can on there. So the welds look good. Everything's fine with me. It's gonna be a solid piece. That welder, I bought that thing for like 200 bucks 10 years ago. I've been using it here and there. Starting to get the hang of it now with the exhaust. I'm starting to use it a lot more. And it's killing it. How can you beat that? When you need little things like that done, and you just get it done. Took a little bit of getting used to, but now that I've got it, we're just gonna keep on moving. I'm gonna build the whole system, right from the manifold all the way out the back. Got it done. We'll do it again.